Are you looking for that app that will pay you quickly? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a legit app that pays instantly. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store. And the name of this app is Make Money, Earn Cash in Crypto. Now let me click on the screenshots so I can show you what this app is all about. So get paid to play games and music. Search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations. You can earn up to $600 per year. Get paid to unlock and charge your phone. Earn faster daily. Redeem for cash and crypto. Cash out when you want. Redeem for PayPal and Amazon gift cards. Redeem your earnings in any form. So they have Walmart, Starbucks, Target, Amazon, and PayPal. Get paid to shop, get exclusive offers, and get paid to read news and search, earn while browsing. And you're going to get paid to watch videos, so increase your earnings even more. So right here, they just go in more detail about the app. So make money by listening to free music on the Mode Earn app. So that's the name of the app. Get paid cash to give us your opinions through surveys on the Mode Earn app. Earn cash money rewards by trying free games, apps, and watching short videos. Earn gift cards, money, and cash by inviting friends to the Mode Earn app. Make money for having the Mode Earn app free music player on your lock screen. Get paid cash instantly for shopping and save money with the Mode Earn app. Get paid to play games from the best game studios in the world. Earn cash when you travel to department stores, convenience stores, and restaurants. Make money by charging your phone, plus money bonuses on the Mode Earn app. Guys, they got a lot of ways to make money, guys. This is a very, very good app, guys. I think you need to try it. I know you need to try it. Now, let's just look at the rating and review. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.2. So good app, guys. It's over 4.0, so this is a good app. Now let's look at one review here. So some of the music stations are actually good. I discovered some new songs and artists that I like. So this person says they like the app because they discovered some good music that they actually love. Now let's just read one more. So this person right here said, a pretty decent app for earning occasionally cash back. I've had the app for about a year and redeemed about $60 in gift cards. I know, guys, that don't sound like a lot in a year, but they probably didn't even use the app that much and they made that amount of money. So if you're using the app on an everyday basis, you can probably make hundreds. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. Oh yeah, one other thing, you'll be able to get crypto too. So once you redeem whatever points you make, redeem that for crypto. So you can get Bitcoin or Ethereum or any crypto that you would prefer. So to get started on this app, guys, go to the Google Play Store and look up Make Money, Earn Cash in Crypto. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And share this video everywhere because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And please, please, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate it. We're in the new year. Let's start making this money, guys. So please share this video. Help this channel get to this 8,000 subscribers. We're going up, guys. We're going up. And on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and please have a prosperous new year.